In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import journals in Xero step by step. If you're moving data from another system, uploading adjustments from your accountant, or entering multiple manual journals at once, importing them properly can save you a huge amount of time. I'll also walk you through the key rules you must follow to avoid errors during the import process. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. From the top navigation bar, click on Accounting. In the drop-down menu, select Advanced and then click on Manual Journals. This is where all your manual journal entries are stored and managed inside Xero. Once you're on the Manual Journals page, look at the top right corner and click on the Import button. This is the feature that allows you to upload journal entries in bulk using a CSV template. Before importing, it's very important to understand the key rules that Xero requires. If these rules are not followed exactly, your journal import will fail. Rule number 1, debits must equal credits. Every single journal must balance. If the total debit amount does not equal the total credit amount for a journal number, Xero will reject the import. Rule number 2, one line per row. Each account entry must be on its own separate row in the spreadsheet. Do not combine multiple accounts into one row. Rule number 3, the same journal number equals the same journal. If a journal entry has multiple lines, such as 2 debits and 1 credit, they must all share the exact same journal number so Xero knows they belong together. Rule number 4, make sure your date format matches your Xero settings. For example, in the United States, the default format is usually mm/dd/YYYY. If your spreadsheet uses a different format, the import may fail or misread the date. Now let's talk about preparing your file. Open your CSV template and make sure you include the required columns, such as date, journal number, account code, description, debit, and credit. Carefully enter your data following the rules we just covered. Double-check that each journal balances and that there are no blank required fields. Once your file is ready, go back to Xero and click Import. Upload your completed CSV file. Xero will then process the file and show you a preview screen. This step is very important. Review the preview carefully and check for any highlighted errors or warnings. If you see an error message, Xero will usually tell you exactly what needs to be fixed, such as an invalid account code or an unbalanced journal. Go back to your spreadsheet, correct the issue, save the file, and upload it again. When everything looks correct in the preview, confirm the import. Xero will then create the manual journals automatically in your account. You can click into the manual journal section to verify that all entries have been imported correctly. And that's it. You successfully imported journals in Xero quickly and accurately. This method is perfect for bulk adjustments, year-end entries, or migrating financial data from another system. If this video helped you understand how to import journals in Xero, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future Xero tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.